Hi everybody, this is Arash and we are solving HackerRank Python preparation challenges. The next one is text alignment and it is very easy. So I'm not going to spend time for solving it because it's kind of an advertisement for HackerRank. It just wants us to print this piece of text with H, which is HackerRank logo. So I've already written the code in the right side. I suggest you not to spend time uh, in writing all of these, and you can just get my code from the description in YouTube video link, and it's okay. But the only thing that you need to learn from this section is ljust, center, and rjust. Whenever you need to specify how many uh, characters should be filled for a text, you can simply reserve uh, space with specific width for your string. For example, you reserve 20 characters. Then you can print something and tell if any blank space is going to be left. It should be in the left side, right side, or center. So that's the only thing you need to learn from this challenge and this section. But if you wanted to uh, see the answer for this challenge, I will put the link in the description. Alright guys, this was Arash. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.